Man, you cut me deep, feel like I spilled my cup. Let's run up this bag until I'm rich as fuck. I work way too hard to treat this shit like luck.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? How y'all feeling, bro? Y'all see what y'all see? Ho, bro. I'm starting the video too smooth, bro. Hold up, though, bro. Hold up, y'all. Y'all see I got bipped up, man. You know what I'm saying? You know I got bipped up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see, looking sweet, man. Looking sweet, man. Today we about to be with Auntie, man. We gotta take her to, bruh. If y'all don't know, bruh. Matter of fact, let me tell y'all real quick, man. We scheduled a fishing trip, bro. We scheduled a fishing trip, man. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back in the car. Hold up, give me 2 seconds. Like I was explaining, like I said, man, me and Auntie Babe planned a fishing trip. I'm about to go fishing with my Auntie Babe, y'all. So we about to go pick up these little sinkers that she need. And then after we get them jumps, that's when we gonna go ahead. And our fishing trip now for like 3 more weeks. So we just waiting and seeing. But right now I'm about to get gas. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go and get this gas, man. And that's when we're gonna be Gucci. You hear me? You. 93. Boom. But I told y'all my auntie is y'all auntie also, bro. So just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. And this music loud as a bitch, boy. God damn. This music go crazy. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. Auntie. Hello. They got what you looking for?
8 ounces.
These 2 ounces, 3 ounces, 4 ounces.
I like this kind.
Man, this jump. 6, 7, 8. Here they go. Right here. Okay then. We getting ready for the fishing trip, y'all. What's the difference, like, between the shape? Like, what's the difference?
I don't know. I just like these. That's a screw.
Dang. They got all type of fishing jumps.
I like these.
They got the ball jumps, paws.
Yeah. But these go like
No,
this.
daddy. They go straight down. Oh yeah, that's what we need. The ones that go straight down.
I like it like this.
We just need 2.
I got 6, 5.
5. Oh yeah. $100. Dang. Hey, why they got you up there though, D?
What?
Hold up, bruh. They got my man Los and D up there. I got you, Auntie. We got what we came for, man. Next time y'all see us, we gonna be leaving with a big bag of fish. A big old thing of fish, man. 2 big old bags of fish. You hear me? We got what we came for, man. Hey, y'all, we about to go fishing. It's like 1 in the morning, bro. Look, it's 12:46, man. Can y'all, like, 12:46. My phone on the charger. I'm tired as I don't know what. I'm packing up right now. I'm about to pack the jug of water up. And I packed this jug of water. I'm about to go ahead. Get in the truck. Pass out, man. I'm tired. I don't want to hear no talking. No none of that. Just drive, bro. Just drive. I'm ready to get this done and over with, man. Catch these fish and get back, man. I'm ready. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. Catch these fish, man, and we done, man. We gone, man. Let's do it, man. Let's go.
James said, you won't have any problem out of me. My name is James Say, and you're gonna make an arrest.
So be prepared.
What's up, y'all? We stopping at the Wawa to get some food. It's like 4 in the morning. Hey, y'all, let me show y'all. 4:21 in the morning, y'all. This is down. Huh?
You not gonna want nothing else to eat later?
Nah, I should be good. I should be good. Hey, y'all, I got a couple of snacks. I got like 2 bags of chips. Then I got some chicken tenders. And then, yeah, but that's really it. I just drank some coffee just to keep me up and everything. I got a little bit of sleep. And as y'all seen, we had got pulled over too. Cop was he was cool, he was alright. But yeah, that happened. But now everybody go ahead and get across the bridge. And we in Ocean City too. This jam look crazy. It's pitch black out this jam. Oh my goodness. This joke goes stupid. We at the Wawa. But yeah, other than that, man, we about to go ahead and get ready for fishing, bro. About to cross this bridge, start fishing and everything. And then we ready, bro. We ready. I got my reel, my fishing rod and all that. I'm ready. I don't know if y'all ready, but I'm ready, man. I'm ready. It's gonna be a movie, y'all. Movie. For Showski. Hey, YouTube, I'm tired as I don't know what, man. And I got some snacks too, y'all. I got some, what's the name, you know? I got some chicken tenders. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. I got some chicken tenders, man. I got that. Some more chicken tenders with some sauce. Can't let the sauce spill. We gotta set these up. Hold up, y'all. Then I got some Doritos. Y'all can see. So we got some snacks, y'all. But we here though, y'all. Everybody setting up and everything. Our fishing rod sitting on the jump outside. Look, this jump look crazy. On TV. Oh yeah, we ready, y'all. We ready. Stay tuned. YouTube. We on the boat fishing, man. Y'all see everybody on the boat with us, man. This y'all crazy. Oh my goodness. Hold up, that's for us right there.
That's you. Yeah.
You put that right there?
Oh, you did.
Oh.
Wait for you to come over here.
Oh, it's cold on this side, y'all. As y'all can see, this my rod right here. Oh yeah, we turning. Water look like glass, man. Water look like glass. Oh yeah, we ready, man. Nah, not right now. I got my auntie bed with me. Auntie. What is this? What is that?
That's squid.
That's squid.
That's
What is that right there? Oh, nah. Yeah, can you do mine for me?
no.
Please.
You have to do your own.
Hold up, y'all. I gotta put my bait on that jump real quick, y'all. This jump, oh man.
I got a glove. You want a glove?
Squid first.
You do either one you want. You do both of them on one.
Oh my goodness.
That's squid.
hand sanitizer.
Huh?
Somebody going to grab hand sanitizer real quick.
I'll be happy to help you out. Sea bass have to be 13 inches long to keep. You need help measuring a fish or getting a tangle, don't hesitate asking for help. And we'll start here and see how we do.
We messed up already? All right, just drop that over the side. All right, hold on to it. There you go.
His name is Jeff. He go around and help everybody on the boat.
See it stop.
Whatever you need, you get tangled up, your line get hooked on somebody else's line. He there to help you. He come to help you. He coming to get you. What you need, he there. Jeff. Hey Jeff. Hey Jeff. Hey Jeff. That's all I kept hearing. Hey Jeff. Whatever you need, he there. He like the superhero on the boat. I'm not even gonna lie. He the superhero on the boat.
My dad told me fishing was a jerk on one end of the line, waiting for a jerk on the other end.
Jeff though, yeah, he like a fish instructor. He like the captain of the boat for real. Like he manage everything. You know what I'm saying? That's Jeff.
Got their limit on the other side. They're right down.
I took a snack break and then I caught a little one, but then I had to throw it back, so I really didn't even count. But we continue to catch fish, y'all, so just make sure y'all stay tuned. It's cold out here. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, it's cold. It's cold as I don't know what. But it don't like that though. I fuck with fishing, y'all. I fuck with fishing. You can't even see nothing. We in the middle. Can't see nothing. Oh my goodness. Can't see nothing, y'all. The past and the past, man. Focus on the future. What's ahead of you? What's ahead of you and in front of you, man. Leave the past in the past. My last video on the channel, man. Fishing. Gone wrong. What you talking about? real cool and peaceful though. Really can't see nothing, bro. Nothing. Just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Catching some fish for y'all. This the fish that I got. That jump big, yeah. Now I don't even want to hold it. Just
I got one of both you holding good.
alright, huh?
Look, put your fingers right here.
Alright, bet, huh?
Right there.
You too. Hey, yeah. Well, I can see it now.
Can't see it now.
Yeah. Back it up. That's the fish that I got, y'all. This jump huge too. I can put this jump. I ain't get it on camera though, y'all. I gotta get it on camera. Appreciate it, y'all.
You put that on YouTube, right?
Yeah, YouTube. Oh, we about to catch some more fish though, y'all. About to go ahead. Yeah, we about to catch a couple more. That's just my first one.
I got some ivory roast. You want that?
I got stronger stuff. You want that? Y'all coming with me, man. Y'all gonna catch the next one with me, man.
Just there.
Yeah. Just turn it a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, that jump was good. That jump was good.
This is it, y'all. This is it. Alright, this is it. I'm done, y'all. Get ready now. Y'all gonna get tired of whining. Well, I know you ain't. I ain't either. He ain't get tired. You hit that button.
Yes, sir.
He's too young to get tired.
Yes, sir.
Alright folks, let's give it a try in here. About 100 feet, drop them down.
and I still got my bait still on my line. Look. They ain't messing with us, man. They not messing with us. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's crazy, bro. Hey, y'all, I hope y'all can hear me, bro. If y'all can't, I hope y'all can. Man, this joint is close as hell, bro.
Finna quit it all, give it all today. Took the heart away. I'm in the mall with Bay, like put your purse away. You know it's all on me. Need help, then call on me. I still can't call a soul, that take a toll on me. That drink controlling me. I'm who I'm supposed to be. No, I can't ask for shit. I got racks to blow, I got racks to get. Time for my kids, look at how I live. Hermes in the crib, Hermes on my beat, Hermes on my belt. I'm trying to.
How y'all day going? How y'all feeling and all that, man? Fishing, it was cool. It wasn't even all that. It was cool. We ain't even really catch nothing. I caught one big one, that's it, bruh. But I was trying to catch one for y'all to show y'all, like, but food was just, it was just a lot, y'all. It was just a lot. We ain't even really do nothing like that, man.
I need it. I just want to throw it up there. I need finger.
Hey, Joe, you want your juice?
Yeah.
The eel been on it, but wipe it down. Let the eel drink that.
But and what's the name, called an eel too? That junk big as I don't know what. That junk huge and disgusting, fool. I don't like eels. Somebody caught a baby shark and all that, but yeah. But yeah, y'all, we about to go ahead and hit the road. Go ahead and get it going, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, y'all, and I got the snacks back here too, y'all. Y'all see I got the chicken tenders right up here, the chicken tenders. I got my bags of chips, man. Y'all playing, y'all tripping. Y'all playing, I got my snacks back here. I'm cool and I'm ready to go. I'm ready. Hey, we in Ocean City with it, y'all. We in Ocean City with it, for real. They got a jet ski rentals right there. Dang. Ain't nothing really over there. They got these pop jet ski rentals. Hee. That's hard though, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm about to pop my camera up right here. But fishing was cool, bro. Like I'm glad I got to experience that with like Auntie Babe again, cause she always talk about that. She always talk about that. So I'm glad I got to experience that with her. It was cool, definitely. And all her people and everything, like everything was cool. But yeah, man, it's good to spend time with like, bro, I'm a loner, bro. Like I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Like I'm really a loner, fool. Like I like spending time like alone by myself. As y'all can see, I'm with just me, myself, like Auntie Bev and everybody over there. But I'm just over here just cooling, smoking my gas, man. Like, I'm really alone, and bro, like, I don't got no type of friends, no none of that. Like, I just be cool. Bro, it's really a vibe. Like, I would sit on the boat, like, just chilling, like, just meditating, just cooling. Look, cause y'all dirty, hold up. Y'all good now? Y'all can see me? Oh, wow, that's bad, cause I can see y'all too. But yeah, bro, like, I'm really, like, alone, and bro, like, I don't do too much. Like, I don't like partying, I don't like being out there. Like, I don't like that. I like the low-key, like, type stuff. Like, I don't really do too much, none of that, bro. But I appreciate every single one of y'all. And I had these little ocean sickness jumps on my arm the whole time. But I'm about to take these jumps off, because these jumps, I don't even know if I even get sickness from the water, bro. Do y'all be getting, like, sickness from the water? Like, when y'all be on the ocean and everything, y'all be getting sick and all that? I heard my granny get sick and everything, but I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all be getting sick and everything and all that. I got an old soul. Well, not even learn. Like, one thing that I've been knew is that I have an old soul. Thank you. Thank you. Like, an old soul. Like, and I see why. Because it's like, I hang around all older people. Like, but, like, I don't know. I just had to, like, I kind of had to grow up fast. In a way, and then I kind of didn't. Like, I love the way how my mother brought us up and everything. Like, we always was like big kids, all three of us together. We was never like, it was always big kids. That's why, like, I love my mother, because she's still, like, she's always like, she want to have fun and everything. Like, she's still a kid. She want to get somewhere. Like, she has goals and everything, like, in play. But at the same time, she's still a kid. Like, and like, that's my biggest role model. I told y'all that. That's my biggest role model. Like, my biggest role model. I don't see nobody else do it like her, bruh. She built different. And I definitely want to, like, yeah, I definitely want to continue carrying that torch. I ain't even gonna lie. Because I see, like, what, and then even how my grandma, not my grandma, my auntie, she was like, yeah, Granny told me, just pick up the pieces, like, pick whatever I drop, pick it up, and then go ahead, take that, move on, and then live life with it, bro. And then my mother, like, whatever she picks up and all that, I mean, whatever she, like, leaves and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up and make sure everything good, and then, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm coming. Hold up though, y'all. I'm gonna finish what I was talking about probably.
I think that's the first thing to go.
But yeah, y'all, like I was saying, you just gotta basically just pick up the pieces and then, like, keep going wherever they left off at. That's basically what I was telling y'all. And again, I got my food right here. We got the tenders with the honey mustard. I mean, the honey mustard with the BBQ. BBQ sauce, honey mustard. Tenders. You know what I'm saying? Tenders. We back at that same while we was at this morning.
You don't want none?
I don't know. Do I want some? I don't even know.
Might have some with you.
What we about to get? If we was to get something, we about to get child. What we about to get?
Have you
What?
tasted one of those
One of what?
flavor?
Flavor with the smoothies or something?
Yeah.
The smoothie from here? The smoothie from here?
Yeah.
Oh no, I never tasted that. The Wawa smoothie. This one? You want one of these?
I think so. I want
Frozen. Which one we getting, man? Frozen what? Tiny nigga.
I know what I want. I want a pina colada.
Pina colada milkshake. 16 ounce or 24 ounce.
You want some of it?
No, I don't want none of it.
Well,
You want whipped cream on it? No whipped cream.
Yeah.
Whipped cream? Okay. Energy, immunity, or protein? What would you like a boost? This don't ask you, what would you like a boost in vitamins? God dang. Yo, strong. Oh my god. Energy, immunity, protein. None? You, Auntie Babe, you need some protein, Auntie Babe. You need some protein. Alright, bet we Gucci that. Alright, single straw or no straw? They ask you everything in the book, bruh. Alright, that's it. Boom, we gonna get that. Alright, boom, we got that. Alright, now what we about to get, man? Ooh,
They don't know where to go.
bruh, can I just tell you about this Ben & Jerry's strawberry cheesecake ice cream? Oh my god, that junk go crazy. That junk go crazy. I don't know. Small bag of ice, Auntie Babe.
I get really cool. I'll probably get
Alright, but what will we get, yeah? Like, what will we get? I don't even know. I don't even know. This junk crazy. I'm about to just get these, y'all.
What's that?
Twizzlers.
you like them.
Yeah, they alright. They cool. Oh, I did want some Skittles, but nah. I'm gonna stick with what I got. Auntie Babe. Hey, this her drink, yeah? Nah, I got one. You said that's from bowling? Let me know how that joint tastes. What that joint hitting on?
Good.
It's good? For real? What type of bread did you get? What type of bread is this?
That bread is
It's all that croissant. My bad, I'm all crushing your bread. Oh, cheese. Oh, one of them cheese Danishes, like a cheese Danish. Okay. Okay. I see. Auntie Babe fuck with me, yeah. She like those, yeah. Hold on. Let me see. Let me taste it.
That's what I told you. It's not a lot of flavor.
That's alright. I can see that on the menu at Chick-fil-A. I ain't even gonna lie.
Chick-fil-A got something.
What they got?
I forgot what it is.
Dang.
But they got,
I know they had like a lemon something.
yeah.
A lemon something.
Something.
Yeah, I'm not too ready. Bro, look behind me. He getting pulled over. What's good, y'all? Alright, so this the end of the fishing vlog, man. And fishing was fun, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. But Auntie Babe just showed me, she like, yeah, you know how much people be making for like catching like big marlin fish, like, bruh. $6 million, bro. Like that shit. Like you need a whole team, bro. Like the fish big as I don't know what. It's almost like a it's like a dolphin. It's like catching a dolphin for real. Like it's kind of like that, but not at the same time. But I don't even know, bro. I never even, bro. Them Jones huge, food. Like huge. Them Jones big, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Them Jones is huge, bro. They about, you need your whole team. You need probably like a 10-man, 12-man, 16-man team. I ain't gonna lie. 16-man team. And then you need your own boat, your own equipment and everything. Like, bruh, a lot go into that, bruh. So I understand. But like, if everybody come together and invest their money in like that little one jump, Like, ooh, what? Oh yeah, we'd be $6 million richer. But then you gotta break it down. But you only need 300K to really come up, like for your family and all that. Like, so you good, bro. You good, bro. You good. I just mapped out the whole plan in my head. But now though, y'all, fishing was fun though, bro. Fishing was fun. Fishing was definitely a movie. I caught one fish. That one fish I showed y'all. I caught what's her name? I think it was. I don't know what type of fish it was. I don't even know. Matter of fact, y'all wanna? I'm about to go up there and show y'all. I think. I don't know if it was a black bass or a blue something. I don't even know. Not a black bass. No, that junk not a black bass. Nah, that junk not no black bass. I don't know. I don't even know. But yeah, I caught that one big jump, and I kept trying, bro. Then I started to get tired. Like around like 12ish. I'm like, damn, like I'm tired as I don't know what. Cause we stayed up for like a whole day straight, bro. Like a whole day straight. So we stayed up all night, cause they came and got us at like 12:30. Came and got us 12:30. We up the whole ride. We slept a little bit. Boom, got there at 4 in the morning. We there at 4 in the morning. We stopped at Wawa. We got our coffee. Y'all seen it. Like, we ain't go to sleep for like a whole day. So yeah, but it was cool though. I fuck with fishing, bro. Like, I fuck with fishing. And I'm about to start golfing, bro. Like, I'm about to go to like a little golf course and just like talk to some people, bro. And just got down, you know what I'm saying? Swing the motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm about to start golfing, y'all. Y'all playing. Yeah. But shit though, bro, that was really it, bro. Let me show y'all this fish. That junk right there. This junk right here.
$6 million.
Dang. Look how many people we got on this team. The crew and all that, bro.
Can you imagine bringing something in like that?
Nah. That take a lot of
You
work.
walk in with $50 in your pocket and come out with $6 million. You'd be glad to share. 640 and a half grand.
Dang. The type of boat you gotta have to carry that, bro. Like, what? That's crazy, bro. That's wicked. Bro. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everybody that tuned in, man. It's Big Steph, and I'm gone, man. I appreciate y'all, man. You me.
Supposed to be, no, I can't ask for shit. I got racks to blow, I got racks to get. Turn up for my kids, look at how I live. Herman's in the crib, Herman's on my bitch. Herman's on my belt, I'm tryna whip a brick. Say they want the old Ray, tell them niggas suck a dick. I'm at the top.